So, hi, my beautiful pandas. So, just so you know, I am standing and I am wearing a very uh, fly high shirt. Get it? Because it's a bird. Get it? Okay. Anyway, so I am going to. Well, obviously, this is not my place. I am in the living room because Raiden is sleeping. Like it says on the title, I am going to be doing uh, some DIY. And obviously, I had to go buy this because I was looking up those DIY videos, like for me to make from those videos, but either way you have to buy it. Like none of those stuff are laying around in your house. So yeah. I bought do not make fun of me. It's funny. I've always wanted to try this, and I know I'm a grown ass woman, but I've always wanted to try this, okay? When the trend started, I tried to do it with the Gain detergent, and the smell was so strong that, first of all, it never came out the way it was supposed to, and second of all, the smell was so strong I got migraines. So let's try this. I don't think it has a smell. I did buy, this is a full kit with a couple of things in it. I'm going to unbox that in a bit. Okay. So I'm gonna do not laugh at me. I am using my baby's hopper because the hopper turns into a table, so I turned the hopper into a table. Can I put this higher? Let me see. Oh no. I sort of come out. Okay, let me try to put it more back. I made my DIY table, guys. So, okay. If you guys see the panda, I'm 100% sure you can see me because almost. So the AC just turned on, so I really hope you could hear me. This is from this box. So this is my Get Dirty shirt clothes. I have some torn pants and a Get Dirty shirt. And this is also dirty from the first slime box I tried. So let's unbox this. It's open, but I didn't, I only opened it to get the instructions so I can read it yesterday, but Raiden didn't make me read it, so I'm gonna read it now with you guys. It came with a background. I really hope I'm not making a lot of noise because this right here, like literally one more hand away from my hand, that is my bedroom door. Oh, it smells. What is that smell? Oh, it's my hair product thing. I was like, it smells good. Okay. So, no, it's actually, oh, it smells good. But it was open. Aww. So, yo, it smells freaking good. Let me see. So, okay. It comes with this blue it says, it smells wonderful. It is a blue raspberry fragrance. It smells good. It comes with 5 colors, which is red. I don't have my nails, right? I can't take this out. I will tell you what happened to my nails. My son decided it was gonna be fun to kick me while I was changing his diaper, and he twisted 2 of my nails and they got stuck on the back and the side here. Right now, the fingers, the skin on this finger is curing. This one did not make damage, but my nail did rip a little bit. The rest, I just got so pissed that I decided to cut them, put them in acetone, and remove them. We have a spoon, and we have a measuring cup. It's from 5 to 30. So I'm gonna put that here. I'm gonna remove my thingy here. I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna fix the bowls here. So let's zoom out so you guys can see the table and so you guys can see me. So we have the glues, the 3 containers, and we have the jar with the lid. I really feel I should like clean all of this with soap, but let's not get into the kitchen. Hot water not included. I gave the water 1 minute and 30 seconds, like I do with my coffee. And like always, I always forget something, so I picked up some scissors. I didn't want to open it completely, but just so I can dip the spoon in, I'm gonna try to do this side. Okay, so since it said 1 spoon, that's pretty hot water, guys. 1 level spoon. So let's let's sort of do this. 1 spoon, and it says to until it's dissolved. I can't really see. Let's put this here. I think it's dissolved because if the table falls, I'd rather the products fall and not the hot water on me or the carpet. Raiden is waking up, guys. So let's begin. This thing makes you get a lot of kitchen products, so I'll be back again to the top. Okay, there we go, 30. That was half of the clear glue, guys. I'm just gonna use this to set it. Sorry. It's been a while since I played with glue, guys. Okay. Then we're gonna put 90 milligrams of water. So we are going to. So let's just do 1 and then I'll do the other ones later. So 30, 60, 90. And then we are gonna add, what are we gonna add? Let's do blue. No, let's do green. I wanna do green. Voy ahora, papi. So I'm just gonna do that, right? I'm gonna mix it. Glitter, because why not, right? Let's mix it. He's crying. Let me open the door. Hola, mi amor. ¿Qué pasa, mi corazón? Vente. Vámonos, vámonos. Vámonos, vámonos. So I put him here. So then it says, get add a spoonful of the activator to your glue solution. So I'm pretty sure it's this. So let's do that, see what happens. I don't follow rules, guys. Oh no! The stick fell! Okay. Oh! I'm so excited! Woo! I just can't hide it! Woo! I'm about to lose control and I think I like it! He's laughing. So, it's mixing, but it's not fully mixing. Not sure how to explain that. But okay, because look, some it's mixing, right? But it's very watery also. It says to mix for a while, but I don't think that's working. Right, Raiden? ¿Verdad? Ah, sí. I don't really think I did this correctly. Because look, like, okay, it's mixing, right? But it's watery also. Okay, so use your mixer for at least 20 seconds, only adding more active. Oh, I have to add more, like, until it's, the water's hot, guys. So let's keep adding a little bit of more. Okay, I added 2 more spoons. Len, ¿qué pasó? Mami está haciendo algo, mi amor. Y de cuando tú estés más grande, tú también lo vas a hacer. ¿Está bien? See, a little bit more, because it is mixing, but it's still watery. So, okay, so there we go. I'm so excited! Oh, yes! ¡Ay, mira esto! Mommy did it! Mommy lo hizo! Oh my god, guys, I did it! I am so excited! Like, it is freaking beautiful! Look at this! Mira! In a Ziploc bag, so it contains, listen to that, that is so satisfying! It feels wonderful! So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do more, guys. It says there is, I'm gonna show you guys right now what it says. Unicorn. So let's do this. White, blue. So 3, 6, 9. Gonna put the purple glitter, so blue, and we're gonna put pink sand, and we're gonna put the purple paint, I'm gonna put my hand in the unicorn. This is so pretty. This is like freaking beautiful, guys. Do you see that? This is super pretty. Like, I love the way it looks light purplish. I really, really like it. I'm gonna put it away. So anyway, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you. Mwah.